Tired of unstable packaging efficiency, inaccurate weighing for nails and hardware fasteners? This crosshead combination weigher bag packaging machine is custom built for large nail factories and hardware manufacturers. Different from ordinary food packaging machines, it is upgraded and optimized for heavy-duty hardware packaging. Equipped with professional crosshead, synchronous feeding and combination weighing system, the machine realizes multi-channel parallel operation. The high-precision intelligent weighing system automatically calibrates and fine-tunes each bag in real time, controlling the error within 1 gram. It completely solves the problems of uneven weight and material waste in nail packaging, ensuring every bag of finished products with consistent standard weight. The whole machine is made of food grade and industrial thickened stainless steel, featuring rust resistance, corrosion resistance, dust proof and moisture proof. Full automatic one-stop operation. Auto bag forming, feeding, filling, heat sealing, cutting and discharging. No frequent manual operation is required. Great life-saving labor costs for mass production. Stable running speed reaches 10-15 bags per minute. Supporting continuous 24-hour heavy-duty operation. It supports adjustable bag length of 25-100 millimeters and packaging specifications from 500 grams to 1 kilogram, fully meeting the diversified packaging needs of nails, screws and various hardware accessories. Our hardware packaging machines have been widely recognized by global clients. Certified with CE standard, the machine fully meets international safety and environmental protection standards. It can be perfectly matched with printers, labeling machines and other auxiliary equipment to realize integrated automated production, durable, efficient, precise and low consumption. It helps your factory upgrade automation and enhance product competitiveness. We support customized packaging solutions for hardware and nail products. Contact us today to get your customized solution and factory price quotation.